Hello everyone, it's Tafik from Tech Security USA, located in Seattle, Washington. Welcome to an unboxing and review video of the new Uniview Smart Interactive Display. Let's get started. When receiving the package of the Smart Interactive Display from Uniview headquarters, the equipment received was professionally packaged and shipped to us safely. Assembly of the Smart Interactive Display was easy and straightforward with a team effort. With the Smart Interactive Display assembled and mounted, we can take a look at some of its features. This professional Smart Interactive Display can be used for schools, churches, offices, sports centers, or any professional commercial-based areas. The following display from Uniview is made of very high-grade professional material. Taking a look at the front of it, you can notice there's a few I/O ports over here. You have a reset button, 3 USB 3.0 ports, 1 HDMI output, 1 touch output port, and 1 USB Type-C port. And over here you have 2 Smart Touch interactive pens, and over here towards the right you have a bunch of interactive buttons. It also comes with its own accessory, which is a remote, which you can use for remote. There's also extra I/O ports in the back of the display for extra use and extensibility. Interacting with the display over here, you can notice that this is actually a touch display. This uses high-end touch technology, basically as if you're using a tablet. Going into the home button, as you see over here, you have your whiteboard app, you have your file manager, and you have screen sharing. Swiping to the right, you get the rest of your apps like Google Chrome, your settings, your calendar, operation guide, file transfer app, OPS for security camera purposes, office, calculator, camera, hardware detection, and memory cleaning. Opening up the settings menu, you get a nice user-friendly settings menu. Here you can adjust the HDMI output on your display. Here you can connect to Wi-Fi. This has Wi-Fi features. Here you can take a look at any related equipment like Bluetooth. This has Bluetooth features at the same time. You can adjust the sound, adjust the time, and a bunch of other features. Pretty much a standard Android experience on a big display. Interacting with the whiteboard app for this 4K interactive display, we can open up the 4K whiteboard app. As you see, you get a nice blank black canvas. Over here to the sides, you have some settings you can adjust. These are very good and very useful if you just need something quick on the go to do. For this 4K whiteboard app, you can draw either with a smart pen. Here I'm drawing some squiggly lines, or you can draw with your finger on the board. This actually detects whether you're using the smart pen or your finger. This is really good, very high-end technology. I can go ahead and erase these squiggly lines I made. I'd probably draw something else. I can adjust my pen size also on the board, depending on which choice I want to do. This time I want to try maybe green, and now I'm just drawing with green. You can also insert images into this, so I'll just insert any random image, maybe something like this, the Tech Security logo, and I can just drag and drop it right here in the middle. And you also have the ability to create new pages, so you don't just interact with one place. If you don't like the first page, go on to the second page and make this more interactive. And on top of that, this has tons of cool features. You can also just save your whiteboard over here. Therefore, just name it whatever we want, hit confirm, and therefore your whiteboard has been saved as a picture. Other apps we can interact with on this interactive display, and I think is very essential for commercial-based settings, would be the screen sharing app. This is a very convenient app if you are connected to the same network in the facility. As long as you're connected to the same network, you can screen share from your phone or your computer, whatever you got to present, whether it's in a lecture or it's in a conference meeting. Going back here to the home screen, if you just want to pull up a basic website, basic web browser, we have a built-in Google Chrome app on this one. And this right here is Google Chrome showing our YouTube channel. Please subscribe, by the way. And once you're done, you can click the square button here and close out any of the most recent apps, and you can toggle the power button and you can just shut it down when you're finished for the day. If you are interested in getting one of these smart interactive displays for your own commercial-based space, please give us a call at 206-787-0224 or visit our website at www.techsecurityusa.com. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.